welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to open up the last Premier Collection release for 2024. This is Tigerlilly and Firestone, and the post office kind of did a number on my box here. I'll show you in a second. Basically just tore open the tape, which I thought, whatever. Yeah, they got the outer box there, kind of bent it, but that's not Brer's fault. Here's their box, Tigerlilly and Firestorm. Nice. Okay, let's see. Well, there we go. It's like a blue roan and a buckskin Appaloosa. All right. Got ourselves bubble wrap. There's the COA. I do keep these boxes, by the way. All right, 2 bodies in 1 bag. Okay. Now, look, more bubble wrap. I'm assuming the baby is Firestorm. Okay, let's do baby first. Oh, a stand. I didn't realize he had a stand. It's the first time I've ever seen one of their foals have a stand. Interesting. Oh, he's kind of cute. Look at him. He's kind of cute. I know they're expensive, but they're just so much better done. And if you're going to have a work of art on your shelf, you want it to be, you know, look like a work of art and not something that you buy at a toy store. And, yeah, aside from the fact that when they sprayed, they didn't get in here much, so that's kind of weird. And I don't know if that's normal for these buckskins to have, you know, half black legs like that. That seems kind of sloppy, but I mean, it's an interpretation, so I guess that's okay. But it does have this really nice masking in the socks. And this is just gorgeous the way that Appaloosa pattern is. That's just very, very nice. I like that very much. That's really nice. So put him in his stand. Oh, that's adorable. So there he is in his stand. Really cute. That's really cute. I don't collect a lot of foals, but he's worth collecting. Absolutely. Look at him. Really nice. The sculpture is real crisp, lots of detail. And when you have that, then painting it becomes easier to get, you know, your shading. So just feeling the masking. But look at that. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? That's lovely. Okay. So that is Firestorm. Now we have Tigerlilly. I think, having seen the pictures, she could show performance. And these are, the other exciting thing is these are new molds for Brer, so you can see it coming out in other colors. That's less expensive than this one. So that's kind of nice about these Premiere. If you really like it, you can get the mold, you know, and probably in a similar color somewhere in the future for less money. So that's kind of nice. All right. Oops, there's another one. I swear the tape is just everywhere. I should not complain if they show up in good condition. We do not complain about tape. Okay. Already liking her. Oh, I didn't expect that. That's different. Oh, look at that. 2 colors in the tail. I didn't expect that. Oh, that's a nice face. Oh my gosh, that's a really nice face. Look at that. Really nice face. So you got, I guess, what are those, dapples in a blue roan? Really pretty. Wow. Nice. Got a clear bridle path. And eyes are in a good position for putting a bridle on. There was a time when the eyeballs were so far back, you put a bridle on, they'd be going through the eyeball. You've probably seen some of those, or tried to tack one up. And then having the forelock out of the way. Now there's a performance horse. We could do some stuff with her. She's really very pretty. I am liking this new mold. So now the only issue, well, it's okay. I think I should be able to get a saddle because it's far enough forward of the girth area, so that's nice and flat for a girth. So yeah, she could wear a saddle. And yeah, that's all I do when I get a model. Can I put a saddle on it? Can I tack her up? Can I put her in harness? What can I put her in? Wow. Okay, I don't see any flaws. Granted, I don't have my glasses on right now, but a little bit of feather, just a little bit. I don't know what it is about that tail. I just like that look of the 2 colors. Gives her some depth. So she's how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if the eyes are anything, that's 7. So she's like 7 colors. Usually when you buy like a regular run Brer, you're getting 2 colors, if maybe 3, on occasion 4. But she's got the white. She's got the gray, so this is like a blue-gray. She's got the black on her legs. Got the tan on the hooves. Oh, wait a second. We got this one here I don't show that on anywhere. So that's another color right there. So what is that? 1, 2. The plastic is white, so you'd include the plastic or the white. 1, 2, 3, 4. The white spray. 5 hoof. She's got 2 colors in the tail. 6, 7. And then you have the eye, which is a different color. That's 8. So that's why they're so expensive. It's an 8-color model. Now he's only let's see, 1, 2. That's the same as this. 3, 4. I'm gonna say he's a 5 with the eye. 5, maybe 6 with the eye white. Then she'd be a 9. So even a simple one like this, it looks so cool because there's so many different colors of paint. So there's no pink on the nose. That would be another one if there was pink. She doesn't have pink. But she's beautiful. They're both beautiful, and I can definitely put Tack on this one. I'm very happy with her. She's nice. As far as I can tell, I don't have any flaws. There's not many places for there to be flaws. You know, her masking looks really crisp here. So I don't, you know, have any issues there. I don't see any factory flaws. Really nice. She's really, really nice. I did a really good job on her. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She's worth it. This is a work of art I would put on my shelf. Not wobbly. 3-legger, not wobbly. That's good. Okay, well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.